In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch cold emails campaign using Instantly.ai. So you will see how to find and import leads, how to launch your first campaign, and how to reply to your leads directly in Instantly. So let's dive in. Alright, so just before we start, if you want to try Instantly for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you will get the best free trial available. So once you've created your free account, you will be redirected to Instantly, and the first thing you need to do is to add your email accounts in Instantly. So for that, you go here in email accounts, then you click here on add new, and here on this page, you can choose how you want to add your email accounts. So you have pre-warmed accounts done for you email setup. And if you already have email accounts, you can use connect existing accounts. And here you see that you can connect your Google account, Microsoft account, or if you have something more specific, you can use any provider here. Once you've connected your email accounts, you want to warm up your email accounts. So for that, you just need to click on your email account. And then here you click on enable to enable the warm-up. Then if you want to use your email accounts to send cold emails, you just need to go here in campaigns, and then here you click on add new. Here we just need to give a name for our campaign. So let's say that I want to target people who are head of sales in the US, and then I click on continue. And now to create my campaign, the first thing I need to do is to add some leads. So for that, I just need to click on this button. And here you see that I have 4 choices to import leads instantly. So I can upload leads from a CSV file. For example, if you want to import leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator or even from Apollo, you can use the Instantly lead database. You can enter emails manually, or you can use Google Sheets. For this tutorial, I want to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads. So as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I'm using the lead filters. And now let's say that I want to target people who are head of sales based in the US. So for that, I will use this filter, current job title. Then I type head of sales within quotes. And why within quotes? It's because I will get better results. It's what we call Boolean search. And if you want to see a complete tutorial on how to use the Boolean operators, you just need to click on the top right of your screen and you will get better results when you want to find decision makers. So head of sales, then I press enter. And now the next filter I want to use is this one, geography. So let's say that I want to target people based in the US, like this. And now you see that with this search, I have 13K results, which is a bit too much. So I want to add one more filter. So let's say company headcount. And let's say that I want a company headcount between 500 to 1,000 people. And now you see that with this search, I have less results. So I have less than 700 results. Now, if we check our results, we have people who are head of sales based in the US. So head of sales, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales, and they are based in the US. Perfect. And now the next step is to extract these people into a CSV file. And of course, I want their verified emails because I want to send cold emails. So if you want to export your leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a clean CSV file, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and that's why you need a third-party tool like GiveMeLeads to export your leads. So if you want to have a button like this one, extract leads, you just need to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you can click the first link in the description. You create your account, you install the Chrome extension, and then you will have this button where you can basically just click on it and it will export all your leads. So let's say that I'm happy with this search, and now all I need to do is to click here on extract leads. Then I will be redirected to my GiveMeLeads account. Here I can give the number of leads I want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 30. Then if you want to have the emails of your leads, you just need to keep this option, find emails, and then we just need to click on export leads. And now we just need to wait a little bit and we will get our export. I will just rename my search. So we target people who are head of sales based in the US, and the company headcount is between 500 to 1,000 people, like this. All right, so after 17 seconds, my export is done. Of course, with GiveMeLeads, you can export thousands of leads if you want. And now if I want to see my list of leads, I just need to go here and click on download CSV. And here you see that we have a list of 30 leads, which is perfect. On top, you have all the informations you need to reach out to these people. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. You have the verified emails of your leads. So when it's verified, it means that it's perfect for your deliverability. Then you have the job title, location, and actually much more information that you can use, like the company name, company website, company location, company industry, and so on. When you export your leads with GiveMeLeads, we do two things. First, we clean the data. For example, for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or emojis. For example, here you have Oscar, and you don't have Oscar with a rocket emoji at the end. So with this feature, you don't waste your time to clean the data manually. And the second thing we do is to check for each lead if they perfectly match all your filters. So you have this column here, matches filters. And when it's true, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you see that we have one false because Alex has a wrong job title. And if we check the job title, we have senior manager of sales. And basically we want to target people who are head of sales. And actually, Alex is not a head of sales. So with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to check if your leads match all your filters because we do it for you. And at the end, you can choose to either keep the lead or just decide to remove it from your list. Okay, so now the next step is to import this list of leads directly in Instantly. So for that, we need to go back on Instantly. So here, and then we click on Upload CSV. Now on this page, I just need to click here and select the list of leads on my computer. So it's this one. And now what we need to do is to map the column headers that we have in our list with the Instantly variables. So for example, the first name is mapped with first name in Instantly. Same for last name with last name, LinkedIn URL perfect. And of course, we have to make sure that we have the emails of our leads. So email with email perfect. Once you've mapped what you need, for example, the first name and email, you just need to scroll. And here we just need to click on upload all. You don't need to verify your leads because it's already verified when you export with GiveMeLeads. So now we just need to click on upload all and then we click on OK. And now when you go here on leads, you have the list of all the leads we've just imported. Okay, so now that we've imported some leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator with GiveMeLeads, we need to create a sequence. So what I want to do is to create one email and one follow-up. So if I want to do that, I just need to click here on add step. And then between my first and second email, I will wait 3 days. Perfect. Now here on top, you see that I need to write a subject. So let's say for this tutorial that I want to promote my SaaS GiveMeLeads. So the subject I want to use is leads with verified emails, like this. And now what we need to do is to write our email. So the first thing I want to say is hi first name. So I write hi. And now if I want to use the variable first name, I just need to go here in variables. And here I click on first name, like this. And then I just need to write the rest of my email that I've already wrote. So are you using LinkedIn Sales Navigator to build your lead list? If yes, we built a tool that exports your leads, cleans all the data, and gives you the verified emails in just a few minutes. And here I have a soft call to action, like, do you want to try it with 100 free credits? And now at the end, I want to put my signature like this. And the last thing I want to add is PS. We can also help you lower your Sales Navigator costs. So this email in my case looks great. Here you see that we have some spin tags, and with this spin tags, I know that I will get better deliverability. And now what I want to add is some spin tags for hi. So now I have hi, hello, and hey. And it means that I will get some variations when I will send cold emails at scale. Now, if you want to have a preview of your email, you just need to go here and click on preview. And here you have a preview. So send from myself, and now we select a lead. And here you see that we have hi Glenn, are you using, and so on. Here we have my signature, and we have the PS at the end. So we have our first email, which is perfect. And now what we need to do is to write a follow-up. So for that, I click on step 2. And here I just want to say quick follow-up. Sometimes I see some people on LinkedIn saying that this kind of follow-up doesn't work. And I don't understand why, because it's very simple and people reply to this kind of follow-up. So in my opinion, this is a very good follow-up. Then don't forget to click on save. And now what we want to do is to go here in options. And here you can select the accounts you want to use to send your cold emails. So in my case, I have just one email account just for this tutorial. Then make sure that you stop sending emails on reply. So you enable this option. Make sure that your open tracking is disabled, and why it's for your deliverability. Then in delivery optimization, make sure that you have this. So send emails as text only. So you don't want any HTML, and why it's for this deliverability. And now all you need to do is to save and click on launch. So are you sure? Yes. We click on publish. And now if we go here in campaigns, you see that we have our campaign head of sales active, which is perfect. Now, if you want to modify your campaign, very easy. You just need to click on it. If you want to add some leads, you just need to click on leads, and then you click on add leads. If you want to modify your cold email, you just need to go in sequences, and here you can modify your text. And basically, that's all. Instantly, we'll send cold emails to your leads. Finally, the last useful feature I want to show you when you send cold emails with Instantly is this Unibox feature. So if you want to see this feature, you just need to click on Unibox. And here you will get all the emails from all your replies in just one place. So you don't need to waste your time to check on each email account if you have a new reply, because you have all your replies in just one place. So here you will get all your replies from all your email accounts connected to Instantly. And if you want to see in details the reply, you just need to click on it. You can read the reply. And what's very useful is that you can directly reply to your lead in Instantly. So for that, you click on reply, you write your message, you click on send, and Instantly will send your reply. So this is it for this tutorial on how to use Instantly.ai. Now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use a LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.